Have you ever stared at your Chime card, wondering just how much you can actually load on it? Yeah, we've all been there. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Chime card limits. We'll cover everything from daily, weekly, and monthly limits to factors that might affect your spending power. Let's get started. Understanding Chime. Before we jump into the numbers, let's quickly recap what Chime is. For those new to the game, Chime is a financial technology company that offers fee-free checking and savings accounts. One of its popular features is the Chime Visa debit card. But, like any financial tool, it comes with its own set of rules, including spending limits. The basics: daily, weekly, and monthly limits. So, what's the deal with Chime card limits? Let's break it down. Typically, Chime imposes limits on how much you can spend or withdraw in a given period. These limits are usually categorized as daily limit. This is the maximum amount you can spend or withdraw in a single day. Weekly limit. This is the maximum amount you can spend or withdraw in a week. Monthly limit. This is the maximum amount you can spend or withdraw in a month. Now, here's the kicker. Chime doesn't publicly disclose exact figures for these limits. Why? Because these limits can vary based on several factors. Factors affecting your Chime card limit. Several factors influence your Chime card limit. Let's explore some of the key ones. Account age. Generally, the longer you've had your Chime account, the higher your limit is likely to be. It's like building trust with a bank. Direct deposit. Regularly receiving direct deposits into your Chime account can positively impact your limit. It shows Chime that you have a steady income. Spending habits. Your spending patterns play a role. If you consistently spend within your limits and avoid suspicious activity, you might qualify for higher limits. Account verification. Verifying your identity and other personal information can boost your limit. It's like showing Chime you're legit. Chime plan. Different Chime membership plans might offer varying spending limits. So, if you're looking to increase your limit, upgrading your plan could be an option. How to check your Chime card limit. Wondering what your current Chime card limit is? It's pretty simple. Just log into your Chime app or online account. You should be able to find your spending limits under your account settings or card details. Tips to increase your Chime card limit. If you're looking to bump up your Chime card limit, here are a few tips. Be patient. Building a strong account history takes time. Set up direct deposit. Consistent income is key. Avoid overspending. Good spending habits can impress Chime. Verify your account. Complete all necessary verification steps. Consider a Chime plan upgrade. Higher tiers might offer increased limits. Overcoming Chime card limit challenges. What if you hit your Chime card limit? Don't panic. Here are some potential solutions. Prioritize spending. Focus on essential purchases. Use other payment methods. Consider debit cards or credit cards for temporary relief. Increase your limit. Work on improving your Chime account to raise your limit. Contact Chime support. If you're facing unexpected issues, reach out to Chime's customer support. While Chime doesn't publicly advertise specific card limits, it's clear that several factors influence your spending power. By understanding these factors and following some practical tips, you can optimize your Chime card usage. Remember, building a good financial relationship with Chime takes time. Be patient, consistent, and responsible. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.